Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, I say may God continue to bless you all. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Oh my goodness, you guys are so amazing. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, thank you so much guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you all for always supporting me. Oh my goodness, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Show me how. Be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find?